In this video, we are going to see the answers of 8th Standard Social Science Workbook, Unit 7, Urban Changes During the British Period. Worksheet number 7, first Roman letter. Choose the correct answer. First question, during the British trade period, which among the following industries is the most affected? Answer is option A, handicraft. Then second one, among the following colonies of British, which was built for security? Answer is option D, railways. Then third one, identify the word that doesn't match the following. Answer is option B, Madras, because other places are belongs to hill stations. Fourth one, which among the following was an Roman styled building built by British? Answer is option C, Fort St. George. Second Roman letter, fill in the blanks. Fifth question, the medieval towns were dash cities. Answer, fort or port. Sixth one, the modern towns were developed as dash centers. Answer, administrative headquarters and trading centers. Seventh question, the policies of British transformed into dash economy. Answer, colonial. Eighth question, opening of dash highly helped British trade in India. Answer, Suez Canal. Ninth question, during the British period, the cantonment town were dash centers. Answer, urban. 10th question, dash resolution was a landmark in the local self-government. Answer, Rippon's resolution. 11th question, a settlement at Madrasapatnam was set by dash. Answer, Francis Day. 12th question, among the British ruling area, dash province was consisted of the most land area in south. Answer, Madras. Third Roman letter, match the following. British residents and towns. British residents oda towns வந்து match பண்ணோம். First one is cantonment town. Answer is Kanpur. Then second one is hill station. Answer is Darjeeling. Then third is port cities. Answer is Madras. Then fourth is railway town. Answer is Calcutta. Then fifth is port cities. Answer is Jaipur. So answer வந்து 2, 3, 1, 5, 4. Fourth Roman letter, state true or false. 14th question, during medieval times, most of the towns developed as headquarters of principalities and kingdoms. Answer, true. Second one, in 1583, the British introduced the railways in India. Answer is false, because railways introduced by 1853. Then third one, British came to India for trade. Answer is true. Fourth one, the English East India Company was started in 1700 AD. Answer is false, because company was started in 1600 AD. Fifth question, Damarla Venkatapati gave the English the grant of Madrasapatnam. Answer is true. Fifth Roman letter, map. 15th question, from the following coast given below, which coast helped the English to trade? Answer, option C, east coast. Sixth Roman letter, answer in 1 or 2 sentences. 16th question, give some examples of ancient towns. Answer, Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Varanasi, Allahabad and Madurai are the examples of ancient towns. 17th question, which was the center to export the goods during the British rule in India? Answer, Madras, Bombay, Calcutta. Next 18th one, write a note on hill stations. Answer, hill stations were distinctive features of colonial urban development. Indian hills was seen as protective and advantaged by British. So they built alternative capitals in cool areas like Darjeeling was the alternative of Calcutta. 19th question, which is the Magna Carta of local self-government? Answer, Rippon's resolution on local self-government was a landmark in the history of local self-government. So he is called as father of local self-government in India, and his resolution as the Magna Carta of local self-government. 20th question, who is the reason for making of Chennai? Answer Francis Day. 7th Roman letter. Answer in 1 or 2 sentences. 21st question. What is called as urban area? Answer. An urban area is one that has high population density, engaged in occupations other than food production, living in a highly built environment. 22nd question. Write the chronological order of 3 distinct phases of local government. ஸோ லோக்கல் கவர்மெண்ட்டோட 3 phases வந்து இங்கே ஷஃபிள் பண்ணி கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. chronological order படி இங்கே எழுதணும். First one is first phase, that is 1688 to 1882. Then second phase 1882 to 1920. Then third phase 1920 to 1950. எல்லா வீடியோஸும் சேனலோட பிளேயர் லிஸ்ட்டில் இருக்குது. அண்ட் டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷனில் வந்து லிங்க் கொடுத்துருக்கேன். எல்லா வீடியோஸ் பாருங்கள்.